Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chelsea Queen Yolanda Silalahi, and I as your tour guide for today. Now I will explain to you about cultural site Mount Sewu. The cultural sites in Gunung Sewu are part of the Gunung Sewu Geopark, an area recognized as a UNESCO Global Geopark. These sites combine rich geology, biodiversity, and unique local culture. Some examples include local tradition, handicrafts, and historical sites, ranging from performing arts and crafts to historical heritage and cultural centers. And on Mount Sewu, there are four cultural sites, including 1. The Bersih Gunung ceremony in the Gunung Sewu area. The local wisdom of the Gunung Sewu community is clearly reflected in the traditional Bersih Gunung ceremony, a cultural activity passed down through generations. This ceremony is held as an expression of gratitude for nature's blessing and as a form of the respect for the environment which serves as the source of life. During the ceremony, people wear traditional Japanese attire and gather in described places such as hillsides, areas, or the under large trees. They bring various offerings and traditional foods as the symbol of prayer for safety, environmental preservation, and harmonious living. This tradition embodies noble values aligned with the Japanese philosophy. Hamemayu Hayuning Bayono, which means preserving the beauty and sustainability of the world. The philosophy teaches the importance of the maintained balance between humans and the universe while fostering social and spiritual harmony within the community. The Bersih Gunung ceremony represents the integration of the cultural profession and the environmental conversation. It plays a vital role in the strengthening local identity, enriching in the educational values and supporting community-based sustainable development. Through the preservation of the tradition, the people Gunung Sewu demonstrate their commitment to protecting the Earth's heritage, not only as part of their culture but also as a real contribution to maintaining the ecological balance within the geopark area. 2. The Jangkrik Genggong Traditional Ceremony. The Jangkrik Genggong traditional ceremony is one of the cultural traditions still preserved by the people of Sidumulyo village, Ngadirojo district and Pacitan Regency, as Java Province. This ceremony is held annual based on the Japanese calendar and takes place at the Fish Audition Sites or Tempat Pelelangan Ikan or TPI in the Tawang Wetan Hamlet, which serves as the central location for the local fishing community activities. As a form of the sea offering or sedekah laut, this ceremony serves as the medium to express gratitude to God Almighty for the various blessings received, such as abundant marine and agricultural harvest, health, safety, and peace within the community. It also symbolizes prayers for the future blessings, including prosperity, security, and the well-being of the people. In 2025, the government of the Pacitan Regency initiated the proposal to recognize the Jangkrik Genggong traditional ceremony as an intangible cultural heritage or WTB. Under the Ministry of the Education, Culture, Research and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia. This effort reflects a strong commitment to preserving local culture that holds deep historical, spiritual, and social values. As part of the Gunung Semeru UNESCO Global Geopark, the existence of the Jangkrik Genggong tradition strengthens the cultural dimension of sustainable geopark development. This tradition not only represents a central heritage but also symbolizes harmony between humans, nature, and enduring cultural value within the community. Next, 3. Wayang Village. Kapusari village, located in Mayaran district, Wonogiri Regency, Central Java, has long been known as a center for wayang kulit or leather puppet craftsmanship. The art of culture of wayang in Kapusari have existed for more than half a century, beginning with the first dalang or puppet master family was descended continue to live in the village. The local community has preserved this cultural heritage from generation to generation. Since being promoted as Wayang Kulit Village, Kepusari has attracted many visitors, mostly from abroad and from Jakarta, who come to learn how to make wayang kulit. On November 7, 2003, UNESCO recognized wayang kulit as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Interestingly, most the artistic responsibility for traditional art and based in Kapusari, Mayaran, which is why the village is now famously known as Wayang Village. It has become an increasingly popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. Today, visitors to Kapusari can find not only wayang kulit crafts, but also various wayang treatment artworks, such as glass painting and small wayang-shaped souvenirs. Tourists can also take part in workshops on wayang kulit making, stay at local homestays, learn the traditional tatat sunging or engraving and coloring techniques, paint wayang design on glass, and enjoy many others hand-on cultural experience. And the last, the Ketek Ogling dance. Ketek Ogling is a traditional art from Wonogiri Regency, Central Java, featuring humorous movements that imitate the behavior of the wild monkey. The word ketek means monkey, while ogling comes from the sound of the accompanying gamelan music, which goes glang glang. The dance is inspired by the legend of the Panji Asmorabangun and Dewi Sakartaji, in which Panji disguised himself and the white monkey to the search for his beloved. Dancers wear white costumes with the black and white checkered clothes and perform a girl movement such as jumping, tiptoeing, and playful interaction with the audience, accompanied by lively gamelan music. Ketek ogling is usually performed at the community events such as harvest festival, circumcision ceremonies, and local cultural celebrations. Beyond entertainment, the dance serves as a symbol of Wonogiri cultural identity and medium for preserving traditional values. In 2018, Ketek Ogling was designated as the intangible cultural heritage of Indonesia by the Ministry of the Education and Culture. Today it stands as a cultural icon of Wonogiri, frequently showcased in festivals and tourism events to introduce the richness of the local art, the wider public. And the conclusion, the cultural side of the Gunung Sewu not only holds the breathtaking beauty of its karst landscape, but also awakens the cultural heritage that deserves of collective preservation. Tradition of the arts such as the Celtic Ogling dance, traditional ceremonies, and the various local festivals reflect the identity and local wisdom of the community. Therefore, it is our shared responsibility to help preserve the culture of Gunung Sewu by learning about it, visiting it, and promoting it in a positive way. By safeguarding both of the natural of the cultural heritage of this area, we are not only protecting an valuable legacy for the present generation, but also passing it down to future generations, ensuring that Gunung Sewu continues to be recognized as one of Indonesia's finest cultural and geotourism destination. Okay, that's all I can share for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you and good afternoon. Bye.